channel, then subscribe our channel for the latest updates. You need to download the Benime app. Click on the plus icon and write the name for your movie. Click on the create movie option. Click on the BG icon to change your background. You can select any color or you can add a custom image to your background. Click on the hand icon to choose any of the hand that you want to use in your video. Click on the sticker icon. You can add your image, animation, shapes and drawings that are provided by the app. Click on the add image option to add your custom image. You can increase the size of your image by dragging this line. You can choose the drawing duration for the image. Click on the plus icon to add a new slide. Click on the text icon to add the text that you want to add in your slide. Click on the number icon so that you can change its font size. Click on the font icon to change the font style of your text. Increase the font area for your font. You can change the font alignment with these options. You can adjust your text in the slide and you can also adjust the drawing duration for your text. For inserting another image to your slide, you can repeat the same process that we talked about a few seconds ago. Click on the music icon. You can add any music track that you want, or you can also give voiceover to your video. You can increase or decrease the sound of music track that you added in the video. You can add as many slides as you want, and you can also add many more things. You can also change the font color by clicking on the color icon that is present on the right side of font icon. You can also add animation.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain.